Hi everyone, welcome to Hinksy's Drone UK channel. So today we are on Newtonwood Lane and we are flying over the Anesco battery park. We're going to have a little look at this and we're going to see what this does, see how it works, or we're going to have a little peek around anyway. So this battery park it's up over kind of Newtonwood Lane area, which is, believe it or not, the highest point in Nottinghamshire. So we're literally at the highest point in Notts right now, and flying high above that. So I think this is still under construction. It looks like it to me. So and I can't hear anything, and there's a porta cabin, so it gives it away. But we are just having a little look. There's basically this is just a big battery farm where it's going to charge a lot of energy. There's a big solar park down the road, so a solar farm down the road, and I'm assuming over the winter all of these batteries are going to get fully charged and pumped up and give us a bit of, cross fingers, a bit of energy security in the local area. This area is quite well known for power cuts, so maybe this will help with that. Who knows? Now, apparently, this is, when it's on, it's going to be quite loud, but it's in a little bit of a cut into the ground, and obviously, as you can see, it's beautiful around here, the landscape, and it's very, very open. The only one who's probably going to get a bit upset with the sound is the little farm next door, by the looks of things. Now, I got to be careful around here. There's a lot of power lines in the air and that kind of thing. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty cool, I think. I'm trying to see really what it is, what we've got here, and it's a bit difficult to see. I don't really want to get too close in. Don't know if there's any interference from the batteries or not. That would be bad. I would say I'd rather that didn't happen. But let's have a little flyover, nice and low. Zoom right down on it. Each one of those is a giant battery and lots of lithium ion, I guess, and all air conditioning running to drive it. Pretty impressive. So let's spin around. There's the farm that's I don't think it's going to be very happy with the noise, but I'm assuming he's sold off the land actually, and that he's responsible for this to be there, so he's probably making a few quid out of it. And yeah, just a little look. Obviously a lot of fallow land around here. And yeah, it's a really beautiful day today. It's kind of 30 degrees, mid-September, and as you can see, a little bit of a look on the whole Nottinghamshire landscape, and a bit of Derbyshire as well on the other side. It's pretty stunning, apart from the the big energy towers and the industrial estates kind of flying around in the middle of it, but still a very, very pretty landscape generally. So yeah, so that's the Anesco battery farm on Newtonwood Lane. Hope you found that interesting. Thank you very much. Catch you next time.